You're staring at your StashAway account, maybe it's up, maybe it's down, and you're thinking, can I actually get this money out? Because, let's be real, investing is about building wealth, but what's the point if you can't access it when you need to? We've all been there. You see those sleek graphs, those projected returns, and you jump in, excited about the future. But then life happens. Maybe your car breaks down, maybe an unexpected bill pops up, or maybe you just want to treat yourself. And suddenly, that investment you were so proud of feels a little locked away. So, let's cut to the chase. Yes, you absolutely can take money out of your StashAway account. It's not some kind of financial black hole where your funds disappear forever. But, like anything involving your money, there are a few things you need to know to make the process smooth and efficient. First, let's talk about the process itself. StashAway is designed to be user-friendly, and withdrawing your funds is no exception. You'll typically initiate the withdrawal through the StashAway app or website. You'll specify the amount you want to withdraw, and then you'll confirm the transaction. Now, here's where things get a little nuanced. The time it takes for the money to hit your bank account depends on a few factors. Primarily, it hinges on the type of portfolio you're invested in and the processing times of the underlying funds. Some funds are more liquid than others, meaning they can be converted to cash faster. Generally, you can expect the withdrawal process to take a few business days, often between 2 to 4. Another important consideration is the potential impact of market fluctuations. If you withdraw your funds when the market is down, you'll be locking in those losses. Conversely, if you withdraw when the market is up, you'll be realizing your gains. This is a crucial aspect of investing in general, not just StashAway. It's about understanding that your investment value will fluctuate and timing your withdrawals accordingly. Speaking of timing, you might be wondering if there are any fees associated with withdrawals. The good news is that StashAway typically doesn't charge withdrawal fees. However, it's always a good idea to double-check their fee structure, as it can change. And, of course, remember that any gains you realize might be subject to capital gains tax, depending on your local regulations. Now, let's address a common concern. What if I need the money immediately? While StashAway isn't designed for instant access, it's generally faster than traditional investment platforms. If you anticipate needing quick access to your funds, it might be worth considering keeping a portion of your savings in a more liquid account, like a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Another thing to keep in mind is the impact of frequent withdrawals on your overall investment strategy. If you're constantly dipping into your StashAway account, you might be hindering your ability to achieve your long-term financial goals. Investing is about compounding returns over time, and frequent withdrawals can disrupt that process. Ultimately, the ability to withdraw your funds is a crucial part of any investment platform. It provides peace of mind, knowing that your money is accessible when you need it. StashAway offers a relatively straightforward withdrawal process, allowing you to access your funds within a reasonable time frame. Just remember to consider the timing of your withdrawals, the potential impact of market fluctuations, and the overall impact on your long-term investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.